We got tampon, guys. Tampon. We got tampons. We got tampons. Obviously people are like, why are you showing tampons? But I am a woman and I do get my period every now and then, so I need a tampon. Oh my god, I think I need to throw this in the bin. I have a Lotus biscuit. What the hell is this doing in my bag? And it's so mashed up. It is a joke. I'm actually a tramp. Forgive me guys, I'm actually a tramp. Like, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about what's in my Givenchy bag. I'm feeling a little bit skeptical because there's always some kind of bullshit in my bag. Like, my bag is literally full of rubbish. So I'm like, what is in this bag? But anyway, before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, guys, now. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to hit that subscribe button. Waiting on you to subscribe. I'm waiting on you to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. So this is my gorgeous Givenchy Antigona bag in the size small, and I know it comes in a mini version and a medium version. Originally I wanted to get the medium version, and then when I went to like try it on, I was with my friend and she was like, you look like you're literally traveling, like it is so big. So this bag is perfect. I literally take it everywhere. I've been rinsing the hell out of this bag, and I remember someone commenting like, oh, you always wear your Givenchy bag? And I was like, well duh, if I bought it, why would I not wear it? Like, comments like that are so dumb. Like, you don't spend like over £1,000 on a bag for it to sit on the shelf. That is just dumb. So yes, it is in every Instagram post, it's on every blog, it's on every vlog, it's everywhere because I spent the money and I will be wearing it. Absolutely love this bag, and I take it every day with me to work. It literally holds so much stuff. But this isn't a review about this bag. I'll probably do a review sometime later on in the month. And the bag it's gone up. So I think now it's £1,595. I'll leave a link below where you can get it. I bought it in Selfridges, but like I said, it's not a review, so let's get into what's in this bag. Okay, so I have been out, so I don't really know what's in the bag. Firstly, I've got my very battered Comme des Garçons purse, and this is just where I keep all my coins. You gotta get that coin. An old Oyster card. What else have we got in here? We've got a Harrods card, which I hardly use because I mainly shop in Selfridges. Superdrug Boots card. Okay, that's a bit boring to show, but the first item that I've got in my bag is this Comme des Garçons purse. And then I've got some Lulu Guinness hand cream. I think I did a blog post about this. I don't think I did do a blog post about this. I'm just going to moisturise my hand because it is the middle of winter and it is literally freezing and my skin is so dry because of this. I love this hand cream though because it's a little bit of fashion in your bag and it smells lovely. I also have this Mavala Alpine Micro Mist. I think I've put this in some of my vlogs previously. Love this. This is great for like, just has a setting spray or just to revitalise your makeup, and I absolutely love this. I love any products from Switzerland because they're literally the best. Okay, third thing I have is my phone. I'm not going to show you what's on my phone. I know like some people do that, but like it's my phone and I need to have some privacy. But yeah, this is so cute. I love my phone because it has my brand name logo, which is Bouji in London. Although they couldn't fit the in London, so it just says Bouji, which I love because I try my best to be bougie, although sometimes I'm a little bit sophisticated ratchet, like yesterday, but we won't go into that. I've got some Apple accessories, so I've got a charger which did say my name because when I go to work, like finding an iPhone charger is like finding a gift from God. It did say my name, but it's kind of rubbed off. And then I've got my Apple headphones, which probably are a little bit like dirty, but I do think it's very essential to have headphones in your bag and also an iPhone charger. A lot of times when I'm reviewing things, I always need an iPhone charger because I'm taking pictures and doing snaps and then my phone dies. And if all fails, I've also got a spare iPhone headphone in my bag because I absolutely hate talking to people. Like I really hate talking to people on the train. I don't like to hear noises, and I love to listen to music. It just helps me get the day going. It helps me just to be like motivated. Then I have a camera case, which I don't see the point of. It does not fit my camera in, although I think it's meant to put your lenses in, like a different lens in. I never really changed my lens because I've changed it now to the kind of wide angle lens, and I love it because it just picks up everything. But I need to take this out of my bag because this is a random camera case just sitting in my bag taking up all the space. I have a business card from the library. I did a review for them a couple of weeks back. Lovely place. I'll link my review of the library down here, and this is just a business card from one of the people that work there. Oh my gosh, my bag is full of crap. And then I have a menu from Megan's because I reviewed that restaurant the other day. I will leave a link of the review down here. I've got like a menu, and I've got like, what does it say on it? I was like, oh okay. I've circled all the things that I had. Like, I wrote that it's busy on Saturdays, fills up around 7 p.m. I ordered a fresh smoothie. I styled all the offers that they have. Yeah, it was a really nice restaurant. That is the menu from Megan's. So funny. I have a pack of candy kittens, and these are gluten-free with natural flavours and natural colours. This is the flavour soft peach. These have been sitting in my bag for a while, guys. Maybe I should eat one because they've been sitting in my bag for a while. Lovely. I have a receipt. I went to Isabel London's and I spent £74. Yay! Go me. So I have a receipt for that. I also have a receipt for Boots. I bought organic hair lotion, I think, for £2.90. Receipt for Boots. We got tampon, guys. Tampon! We got tampons. We got tampons. Obviously people are like, why are you showing tampons? But I am a woman and I do get my period every now and then, so I need a tampon. I've got my passport. This is my passport, and it is a UK passport. I carry it with all times because I lost my, what's the thing called, provisional license. Yes, I don't drive. I honestly can't bother to drive. But I have a passport because I need ID and I carry it around with me all the time. So I always talk about this, but I am lactose intolerant. I can't have milk or dairy. I can have things with milk or dairy in, so I have to take this super lactase enzyme. Improves lactose digestion, easy to swallow. And I buy this from Holland & Barrett, and it just helps me digest milk and dairy products. Still can't eat cheese, still can't drink milk, but if I take one of these a day, or sometimes I take it twice a day depending on what I'm eating. Like the other day I went to Bunga Bunga's first anniversary party, and like there was nothing dairy free, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take 2 of these, and I was fine. Like, didn't have any running stomach. So this is what's in my bag. I have some leather gel. This bag gets so dirty that I need to carry this at all times because sometimes people are looking at you like, oh, you're carrying Givenchy but your bag is dirty, girl. And we don't want those stares. So carry this, and I literally wipe my bag with this, and it helps clean the bag. Literally just wipe it with a damp cloth, and it helps the bag stay really clean and the leather stay fresh. Got a pen, Accra Restaurant Group. Always need a pen. I used to have a notebook in here, but there's no notebook at the moment. This will do. Got a hairband. I've got these Ricola mouth-watering good Swiss herbal sweets. These are great. They're delicious elderflower and they're sugar-free. These are great for like first thing in the morning when your breath is kicking. Even though you've brushed your teeth and your breath is still kicking, take one of these and you'll be good to go on the tube. Because one thing I hate is standing on the tube with people that's breath is popping. It is disgusting. It just needs to go. And then I've got from Bath and Body Works, I've got some antibacterial wash. Definitely need this in London, especially when you're on the tube. And it smells like vanilla cupcake. I get these every time I go to the States. I think they do like 5 for $6 or something, or six for $5. And I just get loads every time I go because we don't really have something like this in the UK. I don't think so. Do we have something like this in the UK? I know like there is like the Body Shop, which is kind of like the kind of similar thing, but I don't know. For my antibacterial, I prefer the Bath and Body Works. I always go to the States like at least once a year on holiday, so this is great. And they call it the Pocket Back. Pocket app, like bacteria, like antibacteria in your pocket. Ha 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 ha. Love this though. Need this in the UK because people are dirty. Got some Elegant Touch nail glue for when my nails want to pop off. I've got my Canon camera. Love my Canon camera. I got this camera for like when I'm vlogging, absolutely love it. Still need to do a review on it. I don't really do that much vlogs, but this is just handy when I can't be bothered to take my big camera out with me. And I always keep a bottle of perfume in my bag. This is the Malin & Goetz Dark Rum. Just gonna spray some. I did a post about it a while back on my favourite, yeah, still smells gorgeous, on my favourite autumnal scent. So I use this literally all autumn, that's why there's literally nothing left of it. But I always just keep a bottle of fragrance in my bag, just so that, you know, there's those days when you smell and you need some fragrance. So I keep this at all times. Oh my god, I think I need to throw this in the bin. I have a Lotus biscuit. What the hell is this doing in my bag? And it's so mashed up. It is a joke. I'm actually a tramp. Forgive me guys, I'm actually a tramp. Like, on that note guys, that is the end of what's in my Givenchy bag. I just thought I'd do this because a lot of people would do like an unboxing and they do like a what's in my bag and then they do a review. We'll be doing a review very soon. I'll probably do it like towards the end of the month or in a couple of weeks. But yeah, that's like literally what I keep in my bag. Like, do you guys keep anything else in your bag? Is there something like more essential that I need in my bag? What am I missing? And I know I had that biscuit in there, and now I literally feel like a tramp. I'm just like, why do you have biscuits in your bag? Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And remember, you can always follow me on Instagram or my social media. I'm going to leave the links below. And if you think anyone would benefit from this video, why not share this video? I'll be happy for you to share it. But I guess guys, I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.